Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to change the order of modifiers for a menu item. If you're not happy with the current sequence of modifiers, just follow these simple steps. First, open the admin panel on your laptop, computer, or phone. Once you've logged in, go to the main dashboard and select Inventory. Find the item you want to edit and click the Edit button on the right. When the Edit Item page opens, look for the Modifiers column on the right. Add new modifiers here if you need to. If you already have all the modifiers you want, hover your mouse over the one you'd like to put first, hold down the left mouse button, and drag the modifier to the top of the list. You can drag and drop the other modifiers as well, arranging them in whatever order you need. After you've finished organizing your modifiers, click the green Save button in the bottom right corner. Now, open the Slimrate app on your tablet and check that the modifiers are showing up in the correct order. Everything is ready. Working with your menu just got a lot more convenient. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reach out to our support team. Good luck!